Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1963 Triumph TR-4 convertible. It's finished in this lovely spa white, black trim, black soft top, 4-speed, 60-spoke chrome wire wheels, chrome luggage rack, black and yellow plate California car. This car is the recipient of a ground-up restoration. Have a look at those undercarriage photos. It's just beautiful in, out, and under. Let's do a little walk around on this car. Really nice gaps. You can see the door fit there is just spectacular. Coming around the back here, just excellent, excellent trunk fit. It's fitted with a sports exhaust system. Really great paint. All the bright work is excellent. But yeah, nice body work, nice paint. Brand new windshield with rubber seal and gasket. Really nice grille. Nice original front bumper. Those are the black and yellow plates for the car that it was originally born with. We bought this car up in like the Central California, Modesto area. So just a completely rust-free car. Brand new 60-spoke wheels, hubs, and tires fitted. Mixture of really good original chrome and some new chrome. So interior-wise, everything's been renewed. Little bit of a custom flare here you can see, but really nicely done, all brand new. Nice white stitching to complement the car's exterior. Correct loop carpet fitted. We've got a brand new soft top fitted that goes to the soft top bows there. As you can see here, it's got the restored set of visors. But yeah, all new interior. Very nice original dashboard that's been restored. Original steering wheel. Correct radio plinth there. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment, but before that, let's take a look at the car's trunk. So there's the other black and yellow plate that matches the front one. In here, you can see everything's completely painted, completely restored. Big set of file photos you can see here. Car was taken body off the frame, and really good history of the car's full restoration, but definitely body off the chassis nut and bolt restoration here. This car's fitted with a high torque starter, brand new wiring harness, all new brakes. As you can see here, just everything done stem to stern. That brand new harness fitted. Looks like a brand new set of SU carbs. I think it has electronic ignition fitted. But yeah, great running, driving car. As you can see here, perfect body work. The back of the hood's all beautiful. Everything in here is painted, detailed nicely. Brand new battery. Yeah, and have a look at the undercarriage photos on this car. You can absolutely see it's a body off the chassis, ground-out restoration, but very, very crisp and beautiful 1963 Triumph TR-4 convertible, finished in this crisp spa white, black trim, 4-speed, brand new set of 60-spoke stainless wire wheels with radials. Excellent ground-up restoration. Documented body off the chassis. Black interior, black top, chrome luggage rack. And this car is just coming to market just in time for the holiday. www.kurttannermotorcars.com. We're going to be posting a driving video probably next week. but just a preliminary listing here with all the photos. But once again, 1963 Triumph TR-4 convertible, beautiful Michelotti styling, nut and bolt ground up restoration on this black plate California car.